Guys, you're welcome back to Wabili Concept TV. This is an installation of a Turkey luxury doors located at Shangotedo inside the Goldstone estate of Gracias, located around Shangotedo beside ShopRite. So this estate, these are installation of Turkey luxury doors and Juan door. The estate is not a fully finished apartment, so it's a semi-finished, which the owner of the apartment will have to do some renovations to his or her taste. But what we have here, we have doors that have been installed, but the apartment owner decided to change it to a luxury doors, and we have to remove some of the old door that have been installed here. So this is the installation of the Turkey luxury door. We have it in 4 numbers. The main entrance is 4 feet, while the other entrance are 3 feet. We have it at kitchen exit, and we have LP Juan door as a guest, as a BQ door. So this is a Turkey luxury design. Installation is located around Shangotedo area of Lagos State. Yeah. This is where we are today. Ẹ rí pé black yẹn ó ní effect lára méjèèjì. Okay. Ọ̀gá bricklayer ṣó ń lọ, ẹ má dẹ̀tí gbogbo ilẹ̀kùn wa o, ẹ dẹ̀tí ń dẹ̀tí ẹ̀ ní wọ́n á rápù ẹ̀. Ìjọba ń sùn, okay.